Good morning, guys. I'm going to be making breakfast this morning. That's my clean plantain. I'm going to be slashing it in a bowl. It's the clean bowl. And then after slashing my plantain, I'm going to be adding some seasoning to it so I can stir it. I usually love to add a little bit of seasoning to my plantain because you want it to taste good. And then we're going to be putting the oil in a clean pot. While it's there, we're going to be making the egg. Yes, the breakfast is going to be plantain and egg. And then I put seasoning in my egg, onion, little bit of pepper and everything in our egg. While we're frying the plantain and getting ready to fry the egg, you use a little bit of oil in your frying pan for your egg because you want too much oil on your egg. Too much oil it can be good. And then make sure the stove is low for your plantain because you don't want the plantain to burn. You don't want your plantain to burn. It will not be good after waking up early to make breakfast and then it don't come out good. You're going to get mad. And then that's the egg. You're going to put your egg good and put it in a plate and get it ready and wait for the plantain. Go to the plantain, take the plantain out and put it in a plate, guys. Breakfast is ready. Let's eat. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and comment. Bye.